Good morning, all of you. I am Dr. KSR Radhika, working as Associate Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Engineering College, Bhimbar. Now we are going to discuss the subject embedded systems. The topic is examples of embedded systems. Microprocessors have become smaller and cheaper nowadays. Many products have microprocessor embedded in them to make them smart. For example, VCRs, digital watches, elevators, automobile engines, industrial control equipment, scientific and medical instruments, and many more. That is the name embedded systems. Any computer system hidden in the product. Embedded systems have many problems. They have to do several things at a time, respond to external events, must cope with unusual conditions without human intervention. They have to the work is subject to deadlines. The different examples of embedded systems are telegraph, cardless barcode scanner, laser printer, under tank monitor, nuclear reactor monitoring system. The first example is telegraph. Telegraph is a simple plastic box 2 to 3 inches on a side and half-inch thickness. It is the telegraph allows you to connect a printer that has only a high-speed serial port to a network. The few things that the telegraph have to do are, the first one is the data sometimes arrives out of order and sometimes the data may be lost. Sometimes the data arrives twice. The telegraph must sort out all these chaos on the network and provide a clean data stream to the printer. Lots of computers on the network are connected and the printer is plugged to one computer. Telegraph must feed the printer one print job at a time and somehow hold off all the others. Network printers must provide status information to the different computers. Telegraph has to work with number of different types of printers. It should be available to figure out what is the type of the printer also. Telegraph must respond quite rapidly to certain events, that is within 200 milli or microseconds. Sorry. Telegraph must keep track of the time. For example, if the computer has been sending print data to the telegraph crashes, then give up that print job and print that from another computer. The telegraph has to do all these functionalities. The different challenges of a telegraph are given in this one. First one is throughput. It has to handle lot of data in short period of time. The second one is response. For critical network frame, it must respond quickly, that is 200 microseconds. If the throughput is better, then the response is worse and vice versa. The next one is testability. Testing of a telegraph is very difficult. Debuggability. Because it has no screen, no keyboard, no speaker, or not even little light. Finding out what the software is doing wrong is a troublesome problem. When bug pops up, it just stops working. Next challenge is reliability. Embedded system must be able to handle any situation without human intervention. Memory space. Limited memory is available, that is 32 kilobytes for program and 32 kilobytes for its data. Therefore, price is reasonable. The next challenge is program installation. Here we need special tools to get the software into the embedded system. The next example is cardless barcode scanner. It is used mainly to read barcodes. Here, the user pulls the trigger, it activates a laser to read the barcode and then sends the barcode across a radio link to the cache register. It does not have problem of throughput. It has the problem, that is the challenge, power consumption. Because this system works on battery power is a challenge for cardless barcode scanner. Weight of the battery must be limited here. Therefore, battery should last for an 8-hour shift and again it should be recharged. So the challenge in the case of cardless barcode scanner is power consumption. The next example is laser printer. This is another example of embedded system. Microprocessor control laser engine. It uses microprocessor is responsible for getting the data from the various communication ports on the printer, sensing when the user presses button on the control panel, presenting messages to the user on the control panel display, sensing paper jams, and recovering when printer has to run out of paper, etc. These are the different functionalities of this laser printer. The main responsibility of microprocessor is to deal with laser engine and laser engine, that is putting black marks. The challenge here is processor hogs. Computing requires large amount of CPU time, can complicate the response problem. So takes lot of amount of time in this example. Another example is underground tank monitoring system. It watches the levels of gasoline in the underground tanks at a gas station. It has to detect leaks and set off a load alarm. It contains a panel of 16 buttons, 20 character liquid crystal display and a thermal printer. It can print level of gasoline's, time of day, overall system status. How much gasoline is there in one tank? First, it reads two float levels. One indicates the level of gasoline and another indicates the level of water bottom of the tank. The temperature at different levels in the tank is monitored. Gasoline can expand or contract. So the main challenge here is cost. It leads to install expensive device. Another example is nuclear reactor monitoring system. It is used to monitor two temperature levels in the boiler. So finally, these are some of the different examples of embedded systems. Thank you.